Today we're going to show you how easy it is to thread this embroidery machine. So first we're going to put our spool here, and then it's going to go through the top of this eyelet right here, make its way through inside this coil. It's going to wrap around and go down from here. From the coil, you're going to go underneath the clamp right here. Then you're going to go on this side right here. From this side, you're going to go underneath, lift up, put it on this side, put it back down, follow the thread path. I'm going to go ahead and put it underneath here, wrap it around here. Then you're going to wrap it around one time around this washer. You're going to bring it down on this side right here. Underneath the clamp, you'll go straight down and then go right around. Go through the eyelet. You're going to go from right to left. You're going to pull that through. And from there, you're going to go straight down. Go through this eyelet right here. Once you have it all the way through, you're going to pull this down. You're going to wrap around right here. And from there, you're going to go ahead and thread it through the needle. From there, you're going to grab it, and then you're going to put it through the presser foot. And then if you have the excess, you can go ahead and put it right here through the spring so it holds and it's out of your embroidery area. You know that this is threaded properly when it's not giving you too much of a tug, and this also prevents any tension issues. Comment iStitch for more information and follow us for more tips and tricks.